Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Friends, this is Shazibul Islam and you are watching my YouTube channel Trust in English. Friends, you have already understand towards the thumbnail the topics today. But before going to the main topics, I'm requesting all of you to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like, share and make available below our comments so that you can get the video first. And who have already subscribed, you are most welcome from my core of heart. Friends, you know that I have been trying to make video in English language just to improve our fluency, and I've been trying to my best because English speaking learning is our choice training. And we also know that by learning a standard and professional English, we can make our bad career. Friends, today's topic is how we can make money. Actually, money is needed in our everyday life, but money earning is not our objection. It is needed to support our family for our everyday life. So we need to earn money and we cannot avoid money in this world. Money making, there are many ways. Today I will try to discuss you how we can earn money within short time. That means unused amount of money. And sitting home. Actually, I have told you my previous videos once again that English has now become an industry, and by learning a standard and professional English, we can earn huge amount of money. That is true like the day. But first of all, we have to learn it in a proper way. There are many students, by completing their IELTS, they are going to abroad for their higher education. Not only their higher education, but also for earning money. That means English has become an industry. We must keep in mind. And by learning it in a standard English, that means by learning a standard and professional English, we can earn huge amount of money. Say, I'm giving an example. Now the young generations are making money by creating video, freelancing, content creating, Google, etc. And to do that, we must learn. That means we must have the minimum ability to contact, to communicate with the foreigners. Because freelancing, that means money making through freelancing, completely depend on the foreigners. And they don't understand Bengali language. To communicate, to talk with them, we must learn speaking English. So, say I'm giving you an example that if we start creating content by making a website every day, first of all, we cannot write fluently, but if we practice just 2 or 3 months, who knows English, but to improve the speaking and written English, we have to create content to make a website. And I believe that if anybody practice just 2 or 3 months, his writing will be improved, both writing and speaking. And after 1 year, this website, that means the contents of this website will be valuable. And if the contents, one contents or two contents, that means if every content is belong to 5 to 10,000 words, these contents will be most valuable. And if anybody don't visit your website, you don't need to be worried, because Google AdSense will be pay you. And if you don't believe me, you can visit that how you can make money by creating content on your website. Then you will get all the answers. And by writing content, first of all, I am being able to improve my writing fluency, both writing and speaking fluency. And second, one day I will be able to earn huge amount of money. And this is the very important fact that after starting to make money, it would not stop. Even after your death, your next generation, your children, your wife, your family will get the money, continue. This is called a royalty income. So, speaking and writing learning, I think that this is the best method to improve our speaking and fluency. But when I start to create a content in a website, first of all, before starting, what topics I like to write, first of all I have to try that topics to the website just to gather knowledge on it. First I have to take an idea what topics I want to create content. After searching Google, I will get my choice of all topics. First of all, I have to read the topics. When I read the topic, then I will get an idea to write. But don't make copy. Okay. After taking an first idea, you have to try to write the content in your own creativity. And I believe that continue practicing your content creating will be improved day by day. And you have to continue to create your content, and after continue practicing, your speaking and writing will be improved within short time. But you have to carry on your practice, and one day it would be most valuable website. Even by selling this website, you will earn huge amount of money. Okay. So number one, I am being able to write and speak. That means my speaking and writing is being improved. And number two, am being able to earn huge amount of money, and this earning is called a royalty income. That means it would not be stopped. After my death, my family will get every month, and this income will be increased, not decreased. Okay, this is the very important fact. So I'm requesting all of you, please don't waste your valuable time. Start your practice to improve your fluency and speaking and writing, to make content of your choiceable topics, to make a free website. Continue your practice. One day you will be able to earn huge amount of money within short time, because just 20,000 or 30,000 earning money, we spend 30 years, but after completing graduation, we are not 100% sure that we will get a standard job. After completing graduation, we need to run for getting job, and this is the binding line. But to see it home, we will be able to earn money, and this is called royalty income. And but first of all, we have to practice, and we just need 3 months continued practice. For this reason, I am telling you that I have told you in my previous videos that please believe me, English has become an industry, but we have to find out our clandestine. We are given ability, power, but we don't try to understand ourselves. So, without wasting your valuable time, I'm requesting all the unemployed young generations, please practice what I told you, and I believe that if you follow this suggestion, inshallah your money making, then you will not suffer to earn money, want of money. Okay, the friends, actually I am also practicing. I'm also trying to, that means I have been also creating content in English language. Inshallah, I believe that I will also be able to earn huge amount of money within short time, because I'm trying to create content. So friends, I will not waste your valuable time today. If you think that this video is helpful for you, then I have also a request all of you to share this video so that any other our brothers can be benefited by it. See you soon. See you tomorrow with the new topics, new video. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.